so she can see it.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Here we
And
go.
even Claude is here.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, who blows that? We'll all blow the bit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You made a wish? Okay. Now we'll cut.
Everybody, I love you all.
It's a red velvet cake. You got the knife, Daddy? I'll
Yeah.
cut the first piece for you.
Freeze me a slice.
That's not so. Okay. We gotta cut the first piece and then that's
You
it.
make coffee?
I made coffee already.
Delicious.
Okay. We'll cut the C for Carol.
Wow.
Quick, freeze it.
There we go. Happy birthday, Carol. Okay, bye.